Shewmaker and Lewis, do we divide military pensions in divorce cases?
Every day.
Would you say that we specialize in that area?
I would say that we specialize. In fact, other attorneys call us to assist them with dividing military pensions incident to divorce.
Every day, every week, right?
That's right.
All right, so let's talk about an esoteric, a real mind bender. I was reading a case in the state of Wyoming the other day. This is the Stone versus Stone. In it, the spouse in a divorce decree is given a portion of a pension based on active duty division language, months of military service. Mm-hmm. But when the service member gets ready to retire, he's already switched to the reserves. And that's, of course, a point-based status, not a month-based status. And the trial court, when the pay center, DFAS, rejects the pension division order, and it goes back to the trial court for a clarifying order, the trial court refuses to do it, saying, in essence, it's not a clerical error, it was a substantive issue, and refuses any help. If that happens, where is a former spouse left?
Well, interesting. I disagree with the trial court in that case because I don't think that it's a substantive issue.
So did the Supreme Court of Wyoming, which you're getting ahead of me. Now, before we go any further, does this remind you of any Georgia cases that you're familiar with? How about the Morgan decision?
Yeah, and I don't remember which one that is.
Morgan decision was where the attorneys agreed in the settlement agreement that the pension would be divided however the Navy divides it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, but I think this is different.
It is different. So in this particular case, an active duty pension is determined by months of active duty, and a reserve pension is determined by reserve retirement points. And if a service member goes from active duty to the reserves, the way the retirement is divided is different. So in this particular case, the trial court said, no dice, I'm not helping you. It's a substantive provision. But would you agree that leaves the former spouse with nothing, with zero?
It does, and I think it's an incorrect result, and I'm glad that the Supreme Court of Wyoming said that was an incorrect result. And I will tell you, I have had cases where when I have written the military pension division order, I have written it both ways, both with the active duty formula using months, and the reserve component formula using points of service.
And here at Shewmaker and Lewis, if there's any doubt in our mind when we're drafting a pension division order, we do it both ways for this very reason, right? Because better that you have alternate paragraphs in a division order rather than the harsh result you almost get in the Stone case, and better that you don't have to spend that money later on getting something fixed.
Right. I would agree with you.
So you get the last word.
So if you have questions about military pension division orders, please give us a call at Shewmaker and Lewis, and we'd be happy to talk to you.